How to use voice mode in Cloud AI. I'm going to show you how you can use voice mode in Cloud AI. So to get started, make sure you are signed into your Cloud account. Once you are logged in, open a new chat. Near the chat input area, look for the voice icon. Tap or click the voice icon to start voice mode. You can now speak naturally and Cloud will automatically convert your speech into text. After processing your message, Cloud can respond with both text and voice, making the conversation more interactive. If you are using the Cloud Desktop app, open Cloud AI and make sure you are signed in to your account. Once you are on the main screen, click New Chat from the top left sidebar. This will open a new conversation where you can enter your prompts. At the bottom of the chat window, you will see the message input area. Instead of typing your prompt manually, look for the voice recorder icon next to the chat box. Tap and hold the voice recorder icon, then start speaking your prompt. Cloud will automatically convert your speech into text and enter into the chat. Once you are done speaking, release the button and Cloud will process your request just like a typed prompt. This makes it faster and more convenient to interact with Cloud without using your keyboard. And that's how you can use voice input in Cloud AI desktop and your phone.